96. 97.
Oh yeah, power! We got a 2008 Bass Cat with a 2008 Mercury 150 EFI on the back.
When you hit ons, know it's game time. And you know me and my bros on the same time. No brakes, green light. No brakes, I got the green light. When you hit ons, know it's game time. And you know me and my bros on the same time. No brakes, green light. No brakes, I got the green.
57. 57. Got you down there, 57. Be safe.
I'm back in my element. I'm back on my grind. This is irrelevant. All that matters is the climb. Back in my element. I'm back in my. They don't want let them in. Gotta leave them all behind. I here like a veteran, but I ain't even hit my. I'm back in my element. Crunch time in the final four. Come in and I trailblaze. I've been walking through the fire, so I gotta get everything. Cause I ain't come all this way to end up a second string. Back in my element.
Alright guys, first spot of the day on the new Bass Cat. Got here in minutes instead of a half hour. This thing is fast. Didn't even give it full power. We're going 45. Now all we gotta do is catch some big ones. Blow up out there. Some shad flickering right there. Sock shad flicker. Number one on the Bass Cat. Little dinky.
So, you guys just watch the hog hunters.